Okay, so this time, after na ma-activate ng atong mga account, we can just simply log in. Ayan. And then, we will be prompted by this notification to please enter the required information first. So, we need to click proceed. And then, ito po yung mga fill upan po natin. So, first is the name of our punong barangay. So, in my case, it is Kapitan Jimbo Juarez. And then, ito po yung kanina, secret question and answer. So, dito rin is our password. So, we can just retype our password. Ayan, or let's say admin. Ayan. Tapos, province. What's my province again? Surigao del Sur. Ayan. So, Municipality of Cantilan, Barangay Magusilom. Magusilom. Ayan. So, after that, review po natin. Name mo po nung barangay, account name, first pet, and make sure na naamoy password diri kay kung wala mo'y password gibutang diri dili na ninyo pud ma-open, so you need to forget password again. So make sure na i-enter ninyo ang password diha. So after this has been verified, you just click submit. Okay, so successfully updated barangay info. Okay, yan, so we can just close it. And then after that, ito yung barangay seal natin dito. So, we need to choose file. Tapos, hanap ta og barangay seal or any pictures lang. Just for, yan. For example, this one is from Marihatag. Okay, open. Tapos, yan, kita nyo dyan, marihatag.jpg. Upload picture. Okay, so seal uploaded. Pagka-click ng okay, automatic po yan. Makikita po siya dito. Ayan. So, we have our information here, our account information, and so on. And also, we can edit the info pa kung gusto nato nga i-edit ang info. Like, for example, kung nag-change ang punong barangay, etc. etc. So, this is the user information. Now, we are going to go back to our dashboard. So, this is now our dashboard. So, in here, 0 po yan lahat. So, this numbers or figures signifies, for example, in this case, the ongoing cases, the number of ongoing cases. So, pag natay ma-add na ongoing case, diri siya mo add og increment siya og 1 diri. So, same sa settled, unsettled, and criminal, and civil. So, this is also below that is the summary of cases. So, given to you or provided to you via graph. So, para makita nato didon ang pagtaas o pag-ubos sa atong summary of cases. So, duha lang na siya ka-color, which is the criminal case and the civil case. Okay? So, this is our dashboard.